Hey guys, how's it going today? As you see, we're down here in the creek doing some rock hunting, finding some geodes and stuff. We've done found a couple things, but I just about fell. But we've done found a couple things, and we'll show y'all in just a second. We've done split up a geode or two so far, but this is what I found. Let me see if I can get it to focus. It's an old shell that got turned into a fossil. It's just a rock now. And then here's one of the geodes we found. It's got like a peak to it. Alright guys, we're going to go in this tunnel right here and try to find some nice geodes. But look at that, that might be pretty busted open. Might be ugly. But we don't know till we do it. This right here. Piece of concrete. There's another geo. Bust that open. We live down in the Kentucky area though, so we have a big chance to find some agate, or whatever they call it. Sometimes it can be very expensive. But, oh, just twist y'all around. We got some geos here though, so we're gonna go bust them up. Alright guys, here's all we found at the first spot. Be going to another spot here soon. Gotta wait for the baby at school. Then we'll be going to the next spot. It's like an amber colored one I found. Wish I could get it to focus for y'all, but it's being a butt. And I found this old fossilized shell. If y'all are one of the people that dump trash down here on 52, shame on you. Alright guys, we just found this big geo. Let's go over here and bust it up. Alright guys. Ain't that pretty?
I want it right there. That's not going.
Yeah, that's pretty. Alright guys, we're gonna find us some geos and collect them right there. And then we'll bust them up and show y'all. One more time on the crank. This one might have something pretty in it. Let's see, I think I saw another one down here. Guess I didn't. Alright guys, I'll let y'all know when we find some nice ones. Alright y'all, we got it broken open. That's what she looks like. Let's go and show you these one by one. I don't know if y'all can see that good. It's beautiful, bro. Look at this piece. That's going in the collection. We'll keep that one. Pretty, pretty, pretty. That one had some green in there. If y'all know what that is, let me know. There's some quartz forming. Pretty sure that's what that is. Quartz crystals. Don't drop our pieces here. Here was that little one that we broke. I don't know if y'all could see it or not, but there's a honey nest up there, a beehive, but it's like, it's open though. The bees didn't make it to where it's closed off. It's weird. I never seen nothing like it. Yeah, out here in nature, y'all. Looks like we about to have a little rain, maybe. Ooh. The boy baby duck almost fell. But we've been going up in these rocks when the water comes up, and when it comes back down, rocks and minerals and all that stuff will get trapped in these rocks. We're no experts at it, but we're trying to get into it. Oh, check this out, y'all. Can y'all see all that waving in there? I wish y'all could see that. I'm definitely keeping that. That's beautiful. But yeah, just out here enjoying and exploring. You never know what you're gonna find. Some people out back over here fishing. But yeah, we're trying to find agate and cool looking unique geos. This place is cool, y'all. If y'all can see it, there's slits going all through the rock bed. Oh, here's a spot that we can look for some rocks. Well, y'all, just flip this rock. Look what we found.
What's the rock?
Look at, jeez! That was a 4-foot jump, y'all. That is nuts.
What is it?
Right here.
What is
He thinks we don't see him.
it? Likes the water.
There's another one.
Where?
It was something that moved. The fuck was that? It's right there, man.
This way. Where'd it go?
I don't know.
I just touched it.
There's the frog.
It's gonna jump out of your hand. It's gonna jump onto that wall.
I got him, y'all.
No!
Look how pretty he is.
He's gonna jump out of your hand.
Oh, there he went.
Back in
All
the
right.
water. At least he had a soft landing.
I'm gonna leave him alone now.
He didn't
Water
like
snake.
that beat, did he?
Look at him,
It's a
y'all.
water snake.
I think it is.
Pretty much I'm the one who found him.
He's a little feisty thing, be that small, y'all.
Daddy, I don't want you to get big.
Look at him, y'all.
Oh no.
I wonder if his teeth are even big to hurt you.
No, he's too little. He's a fresh born.
Daddy's smarter than you are. Don't like me.
Picked him up for y'all, guys.
No, they'll be
He's
closed when we get
smiling.
off.
Queen snake.
He's smiling.
It's a queen snake, guys.
He's smiling.
He's just sitting there chilling.
That way you don't get the spider web.